This is exactly why I do what I do. This is worth dying for.
This changes nothing. You and the baby will always come first.
Okay.
It is pure wickedness to label your fellow human being a curse, an outcast, untouchable.
By reason of some accidents of history, my ancestors were branded Osu. This is the refuge where Osus were dumped and abandoned to die.
The Osus are cursed. Bringing one into the family means that we shall all be stigmatized.
30 years of research is what you see there.
Embarking on this journey, it will be very detrimental.
In this day and age,
Igbo land will never prosper until this obnoxious practice is completely abolished from our land.
These things are ancient traditions.
I'm not quite sure I raised you to be an idiot, because you're looking like one to me now.
Aja, Aja.
You cannot abolish Osu when it has come to stay.
Our history makes me mad.
Such a thing happened to all the people who fight evil in the past.
I love him so much.
I will have nothing to do with an Osu grandchild.
I choose her.
I am a culture custodian. I will not hesitate to sacrifice you.